I promote this school of thoughts called attraction marketing. Basically, at the core of attraction marketing, right, is to know how to build your personal branding, right? So when you actually post 3 to 5 videos a day, right? Okay, I have to help you to differentiate that especially for most beginners, right? And you don't really have a personal brand established yet, so you cannot really copy people that has a huge following. And you may think that by just posting videos day in and day out and lots of those videos showcasing your products, right, that it will help you to attract customer. The answer is not true and it is not effective for your info. So you cannot compare yourself. For example, let's say you are in this brand that you're doing and there will be people that in the same brand as you and very likely they already became successful in doing the brand that you're doing. Okay. So of course for them with a huge following and among them there are quite a number of them are actually from their team or already their customers. Okay. So when they post because they have the results, huge results to back them up. So they already became successful in doing the brand that you are doing. Okay. So of course for them with a huge following and among them there are quite a number of them are actually from their team or already their customers. Okay. So when they post because they have the results, huge results to back them up. So they can be very undisciplined in posting all day long about their business opportunities as well as their products. And they can continue to receive orders from potential customers. But if you are a beginner, when you are doing this to your social media channel, all day long you are posting about your products, asking people to join your team, right? It is not going to work. And it will appear to people that you are very salesy, okay? Right? And in fact, people that don't know you because you have not established yourself as a brand, okay, as a strong personal brand. People who don't know you come across your brand because you keep showing it, right? Now there will be two potential very likely behavior from this audience. Number one, they will just scroll past you because across the whole entire internet, everywhere in social media, right? All day long, people are trying to push their products to the audience. So people are getting fed up, sick and tired of seeing these kind of things, learning nothing, right? All day long is asking people to buy their stuff, right? Okay, that's the first likely behavior. Second, let's say I am interested, but the normal behavior for most people, especially you are a stranger to me, right? You don't know who I am, how good I am with the products or services that I am representing because this is the first time you came across me, right? What will I do? Would I come to ask with the products or services that I am representing because this is the first time you came across me, right? What will I do? Would I come to ask you that what does this product do? You know, how can it help me? And no. What will I do? I will take down the brand name and I will go and Google or even ask the Chat GPT, which is the AI, to give me the answer rather than asking you personally. You may heard about from the team leader that actually teach you this kind of strategy, post all day long about your products, right, using the social media, right? Okay, those are outdated ways to use the internet. In the past 10 years, this works, but not now, not effective, right? So I have helped you to identify the psychology behind it. If you have not established yourself as a strong personal brand, if you keep posting all day long, showcasing the product brand that you are partnering with as an affiliate, right? You are going backwards. Okay, I have helped you to identify the two potential behavior of someone that scroll and saw your content, right? The likely action they are going to take is number one, you are going to scroll past it. Because why? You are no different from another person that doing the same stuff. Why are you so special? Why should I even come to you and ask for your advice? Isn't it? Think about this. So you cannot follow blindly that your leaders, especially those old school ones that know nothing about the internet and they are trying to teach you how to use the internet to attract customers. And you may ask yourself this very logical, common sense question. If those people that are teaching you, which they are your leaders before you, right? There's nothing wrong with teaching you because that's their responsibility anyway, right? But fundamentally, that you have to ask yourself: did they achieve that level of success